Welcome back, Tube of You. My name is Smithy. Welcome back to Smitheys. On this channel, I'm going to be doing instructional videos, car fixes, truck camping, fishing, hiking. It's going to be a big mix of crazy, a good mix of instructional. Today we're going to be installing a bed cover because I installed a bed rug in my truck. As you can see, it's been raining and it won't stop raining, and now my bed rug is absolutely saturated. I am trying not to have any smells or what have you whenever I get my camper shell. I'm gonna do a little unboxing of the tonneau cover, show you what's in the box, show you how to install it. Let's get to it. All right, Tube of You, tonneau cover we're gonna be installing today. It's a Lund Genesis. It is for a 6.5 foot bed. I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see what all comes in the box. Installs in minutes, 100% bed access, no drill installation. Don't you hate it when you need a knife and you forget a knife? We're good, I got keys though. Let's get to this unboxing. Finally, weather seal that goes in the front of the bed. Your actual tonneau cover. Your side rails. Your first side rail, then your second side rail, and a little bit of hardware and your instructions. I always recommend to read your instructions because every manufacturer is different. Yes, it's good to watch a video and watch everyone else's mistakes, but you should always read the manufacturer's instructions. All right, everyone, so this is how ultimately your tonneau cover is going to be arranged inside the truck. You're going to have your side rails mounted to the side of your bed by these clamps. This side, the same thing, it's mounted to that side wheel by these clamps. This right here is taped to give you a level. They give you that foam because this plastic trim sits higher than the actual bed, and the same with the other side. So all you do is roll out that tape onto that, making it a level surface. I'm gonna go ahead and mount one side. I'm gonna start with the driver's side, passenger side, show you my progress, show you what it's supposed to look like, and then I'll come back and show you the tonneau cover, and then I'll roll it out and show you the final product. And how the tonneau cover actually secures to the bed rails is with this nut through this side rail and to tighten the tension. If your tonneau cover gets loose, you'll just either clockwise or counterclockwise. Very simple. All right, so this bulkhead seal, you see I've used it all. So it sits relatively flat with this surface. And you just roll it on, just like tape. And I put it on the back instead of this near lip. I didn't want it to leak. That's step one. Let's move on to step two. All right, I forgot to mention, you will need a socket wrench with a 13 millimeter. You'll also need another socket, 14 millimeter. The 13 millimeter is for all the clamps going down the sides of the bed. And then the 14 is to secure the tonneau cover to the side rails. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. All right, so here is the next step. As you can see, I have the side rail on the side of the bed. Those clamps are not tight yet. Make sure you just get them hand tight so it'll hold the rail up by itself. So let the clamps hold it for you. You'll also want to space them out. I know the clamps aren't evenly spaced. The biggest thing here is making sure this has to be aligned with the truck. This top is a roll-on top and it has Velcro to secure it down. Let's do the other side. All right, so I have the passenger side up now. Again, it is not centered evenly. The next step is to tighten them down So you want it pretty snug. You also want this plastic piece right here to be in line with this. And then you want this end cap right here to be in line with this. All right, so I got the side rails all tightened down, them clamps all evenly spaced. And I just laid the tonneau cover on the rails so you can see what the next step is. This is the back of the tonneau cover. You see how that flips over like that? This bolt right here is riding in this channel. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this bolt through that hole, and there's some room for adjustment. The same with this other side. This one slides in this rail right here, and then you got put this bolt in this hole. Underneath here, when you put the bolt through, you're gonna put this washer and then this nut on this side. All right, so this is what it's supposed to look like after you tighten up them bolts. Here's them bolts I was talking about. So you slide it in the hole, put the washer on, put the nut on, and tighten it. Do not go crazy tightening it. Again, the same with that side. Do not over tighten it. You will bend that channel and really can't use it anymore. Now I'm gonna unroll it, show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you what to do next. Get some tension. That pop in is a good sound. Now on to the last step. Now after you unroll it, what you're gonna do is start from the front of the cab. You're gonna pull it towards you and then push it down on that Velcro. Pull it towards you, push it down on that Velcro. Pull it towards you, push it down on that Velcro. Pull it towards you. Just keep doing that until you get it all the way to the back, and then run your hand. Make sure you got it. Golden. Rocking. Now we're going to do the driver's side. Same process. Start at the front, pull it towards you, push it down. Pull it towards you, push it down. Pull it towards you. Well, here's the finished product. It's a little wavy because I need to stretch out the fabric a little bit more, and it's kind of cold and wet. When the sun hits it, it'll be a little bit more flexible. Again, this is from my 2020 F-150. Here's what it looks like with the cab down. Keeps all your stuff dry. Put your groceries in there. Unrolling this tonneau cover is just as easy as unrolling it. You don't even have to get in the truck. Here you go, I'm gonna show you how to do it. On this side right here, there's a little black handle. It's a latch. You pull that. You see how it moves? You slide it up just like that. And you just roll it. There's no need to unvelcro it. All you do is just walk beside it and roll it. And roll it. Yeah, and then you just get in here. It comes equipped with these two loop fasteners. You'll grab one, you flip it over, just rest this against the bed or the cab. I can't do this with one hand, but obviously you see that little loop right there? That loop goes into that loop on both this one and that one. This is what it'll look like after you strap it in. It's not going anywhere. So if you wanted to haul something, you still have full access to your bed. There you have it. She's all done. Well, there you have it. My name is Smithy. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you go out and put one on your truck. It's very simple, very easy. Anyone can do it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try and get to every single comment, or just shoot me a message. But the fastest way is through my comments because I check them daily. Thanks for watching Smitheys. My name is Smitty. See you on the next one. Ah! And that's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's